Hello, in front of me I've got FC26. In this video I'll show you how to perform step over. To perform step over, make sure that the player has at least 3 stars dribbling. Now, while you are running to the right side, push the right analog right and upwards or downwards. While you are running to left side, push it left and upwards or downwards. If you are running to the top, push it upwards, left or right. And if you are running to the bottom, push it downwards and left or right. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.